Escalwella and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng table centerpiece na Christmas yung theme. Okay, so for this video, actually medyo late na siya kasi isang linggo na lang Christmas na, pero tatry natin humabol. So for this video, we'll be using mga vases of different sizes. Okay, mga luma na to. Okay, and then we also have Christmas balls, luma na rin, and then we have mga Christmas sprays. Ayan. And then, snowballs. And then, the mga ornaments. And then, of course, bulaklak na pinitas ko lang doon sa aming Christmas tree. Nagagamit din tayo ng gunting. Kung tanggal ng mga kung ano-ano. And then, flyers. We might be needing the flyers para ikat yung stem ng ating Christmas spray. And then, we also have this ornament hook. Okay, so, let's start. Okay, so, umpisahan muna natin sa which one do we go with first. Okay, so ito, tingin ko mas madali ito. So, we're just gonna fill this one up with Christmas balls. We're done with the first one. Okay, so next up we have this one. So this one naman, what we're going to do is fill it in with this Christmas balls. Sana lang hindi lumubog yung Christmas balls, snowballs. Sana lang hindi lumubog yung Christmas house kapag ilalagay na natin siya. Underneath. Sabi ko na lulubog siya. Look. Yan. Tada! Okay, so let's put some pebbles underneath. Okay, so we're done with the first one. Ito na siya. Ayan. And then for the next one, ito supposedly mga snowballs lang yun na dito. Kaso hindi kakayanin kasi lulubog siya. Dahil of course, ang snowballs ay puro hangin lang naman to. So, I decided to use this kind of, mga tawag dito. Nabili ko to dati. Shiny gold na stones. Ayan, Christmas na Christmas naman siya. Okay, so what we're gonna do is that we're going to put this house. Yan, umiilaw to eh. Pailawin nga natin. So, here's the house. Ayan. We'll put it there inside. Sayang yung battery, no? Maliwanag lang ang battery natin siya. Ayan, sa loob. Ayan siya. And okay, and then we'll cover it. Sharon! Here's our second. Okay, so let's go to this one. Okay, so tapos na po ang ating Christmas na table centerpiece. Ito na siya. So, dito natin nagamit yung ating mga snowballs. Okay. Ayan. This is the Christmas house with Santa, snowman, and Christmas tree. And so, para siyang Christmas village na isang bahay lang. And then, this is our flower vase. Ayan. And then, we have here yung fishbowl with the Christmas balls. Ayan, and may star din. And of course, ang centerpiece ay hindi kompleto without a candle. So, nilagay tayo ng candle. Maliit lang and then it's color red. Ayan. So, there you have it. Ayan. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please click on the like button and then also share the vid and then subscribe. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.